'Twas the mood before unconsciousness, and all through the house only the printer was stirring, printing a mouse. The filament was loaded with meticulous care, in hopes that no spaghetti would soon fill the air. The makers were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of layers danced in their heads. And I in my hoodie, with Pet G to extrude, had just hit start print in a tinkering mood, when out from the nozzle there arose such a clatter, I sprang to the screen to see what was the matter. Away to the bed I flew in a snap, paused the print quickly to fix the mishap. The glow of the hot end, a warm orange hue, gave luster to prints both old and new, when what to my tired eyes did appear but a failed first layer and a tangle of fear. With a tiny scraper so lively and quick, I leveled the bed with my go-to trick. More rapid than firmware adjustments they came, and I whistled and muttered each nozzle's name. Now Ender, now Prusa, now Voron and Creality, on Cura, on Blender, on slicing mentality. To the top of the gantry, to the edge of the plate, lay filament down, let's recalibrate. As warped prints before a heated bed fly, when they meet with a draft and begin to defy, so up to the extruder the filament flew, with a spool full of dreams and a benchy too. And then in a whirring I heard on the floor the patter of cats sneaking in through the door. As I drew in my hand and was turning around, a tail flicked the reset button, it made not a sound. The printer went silent, its nozzle held high. I let out a groan and a small muffled cry. But my heart grew soft as I scratched their small head, for a curious cat is what 3D printers dread. I restarted the print with a grin and a sigh, watching as layers stacked higher and high. Though failure had struck, the joy wouldn't diminish, for a true maker knows it's all in the finish. And I heard it extrude as it purred in the light. Happy printing to all, and to all a good night. You know, if you really think about the lyrics, it barely makes sense. Like a lot of the things, like what do you expect from AI? Check out the link to the blog post in the description below to see kind of the story behind this, and also for some useful tips on how to use your 3D printer this Christmas. So Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.